Magandang araw! Taus-pusong pasasalamat sa mga learners, home learning partners, at sa lahat ng mga sumama at sumuporta sa buong Week 4 ng Project SOAR Series of Online Academic Reviews of Mathematics CLAID Learning Modules. Ngayon, dumako na tayo sa napipintong pagtatapos ng Week 4. At para magbigay ng kanyang pangwakas na mensahe, pinapakilala ko ang Elementary Mathematics Coordinator ng Addition Hills Integrated School, Mr. Mariano Saraos.
In behalf of Addition Hills Integrated School, ako po ay buong pusong nagpapasalamat sa buong CID team ng Mandaluyong na pinangungunahan ni Dr. Romela M. Cruz, lalong-lalo na ang ating Education Program Supervisor sa Mathematics, Mr. Resty Rodelas, sa ibinigay na pagkakataon at pagtitiwala sa mga guro ng Addition Hills Integrated School upang ipamalas ang angking karunungan sa pamamagitan ng pagtuturo gamit ang Project SOAR. Sa bagong ina ng aming paaralan, Ma'am Gigi G. Bulyanday, ako po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa walang humpay at sawang pagsuporta sa lahat ng programa ng matematika. Higit sa lahat, nais kong pasalamatan ang mga guro na tumanggap ng hamon ng Project SOAR. Mrs. Teche Pariñas, Mrs. Michelle Anoos, Mrs. Alicia Saya, Mrs. Vanessa Ruga, Mr. Mark Guzman, Ms. Stephanie Palyarme, at ang aming moderator, Mrs. Lydia Ubera Belsa. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng pagod, puyat at lahat ng sakripisyong inilaan para sa Project SOAR. Muli, lagi sana nating tangkilikin ang Project SOAR. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our page.
At muling nagbabalik ang Project SOAR, Series of Online Academic Reviews of Mathematics CLAID Learning Modules. Andito na tayo ngayon sa ating huling grade level para sa elementary. Ito ay ang mga Batang MANDunong ng grade 6. Alam kong super excited na kayo. Kaya, mga Batang MANDunong ng grade 6, Math-tuto dahil Math-sayang Math-aral. Ipapakilala ko na ang ating teacher presenter ngayong araw. Siya ay nagtapos sa Philippine Normal University ng kursong Bachelor in Elementary Education. 5 taon na siyang nagtuturo sa public school. At siya ay teacher ng grade 6 Mathematics and Science sa Addition Hills Integrated School. Mga Batang MANDunong, siya ay si Teacher Stephanie Palyarme.
Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Belsa. Bago po ako magsimula, nais ko po munang batiin ang lahat ng bumubuo ng SDO Mandaluyong. Sa pangunguna ng aming napakasipag na EPS in Mathematics, Sir Resty Rodelas, ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa isa na namang pagkakataong naibigay sa akin. Nais ko rin pong batiin ang aming butihing principal, Miss Gigi Bulyanday, ang aming ASTP sa elementary, Ma'am Elea Solomon, gayon din po ang aming ASTP sa secondary, Sir Gilbert Marteja. Sa lahat po ng guro, home learning partners, mga magulang at mga mag-aaral na makakasama po namin sa araw na ito, isang napakagandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Ms. Stephanie Mae F. Palyarme, Math and Science Teacher ng Addition Hills Integrated School. Samahan niyo po akong talakayin ang CLAID Modules for Grade 6 para sa ika-4 na linggo.
Good day, everyone! Today, we will be having your advanced lesson in Mathematics 6 for Week 4. You can have your CLAID Modules number 4. So the topic that we will be having for today is all about solving percent problems, commission, sales tax, and simple interest. Let's have first a quick review of the percentage, the rate, and the base. These terms are very important to our discussion for today. Let's recall the definition of each term. Percentage. It is a portion or a part of a whole. Next, we have the rate. It is the ratio between quantities and with a percent sign. Last, we have the base. It is the original amount and represents the whole. For example, we have 50% of 40 is 20. 50% represents the rate, 40 represents the base, and 20 represents the percentage. Now, let's start the discussion. First, we have the discount. Let's unlock the terms relating to discount. What is a discount? Discount is the amount taken off from the marked price, or it is the amount that is saved. Madalas, naririnig po natin ang salitang discount sa mga pamilihan. Nangangahulugan lamang po ito na tayo ay mas makakamura sa mga bilihin. Next, let's have the marked price. When we say marked price, it is the original price. We also have the rate of discount. It refers to the percent of discount from the marked price. Mas malaking rate or mas mataas na rate, it means mas malaki ang imumura ng ating presyo. The last one, we have the selling price. Selling price is the price at which the item is finally sold after deducting the discount. Ito ang presyo kung saan may bawas na ang original price ng isang item. Let's now talk about how to solve discount problems. We are to follow the formula of the percentage, wherein we have percentage is equal to rate times base. Why are we going to use this formula? Because percentage is the same as discount, rate is the same as discount rate, and base is the same as the original price or the marked price. Let's have the sample problem for discount. A bookstore is having a 25% off sale on all of its items. If the book you want regularly costs 420 pesos, how much would be the discount? What would be the selling price of the book after the discount? Now, analyzing our problem, we will have the given data. Marked price or the original price is equal to 420 pesos and the rate of discount, which is 25%. Also, from our problem, we have questions, how much is the discount? And the next one, we also have how much is the selling price. Since discount is the same as percentage, mark price is the same as the base, rate of discount is the same as the rate, and the formula for the percentage, as we know, is percentage is equal to base times rate. We will follow the formula discount is equal to mark price times the rate. For the selling price, we will be having selling price is equal to mark price minus the amount of discount. So it means mas makakamura po tayo since we will be using subtraction. Let us now solve the discount using the formula mark price times the rate. We will have 420 pesos as the original price. Then we have 0.25 as 25% changed to the decimal form. Let's have first 420 times 5, giving us 2,100. Then, let's have 420 times 2 is equal to 840. And then, let's add the two of them and move the decimal point from the right to the left 2 places, we will be having 105 pesos. Therefore, the discount of the book is 105 pesos. Now, let's have the selling price. We will be using the formula mark price minus discount. We will have again 420 pesos minus 105 pesos, which is the discount. As we subtract the two of them, we will be having the answer 315 pesos. Now, the selling price of the book is 315 pesos. So that is how we solve the amount of discount. However, when we are to solve other related terms, we need to be guided by the percentage base rate formula. Since ang discount ay pareho ng percentage, ang mark price ay pareho ng base, at ang rate of discount ay pareho ng rate, we will be having the formula for rate of discount is equal to discount divided by the mark price. And we have the mark price is equal to discount divided by the rate of discount. We just need to substitute the formulas with the given data and then solve. Okay, now let's have commission. So what is commission? When we say commission, it is a fee paid for services, usually a percentage of the total sales. Madalas, naririnig natin ang salitang commission sa business or buy and sell of products or other services. Let's discuss some other related terms on commission. Let's have gross proceeds. It is the total sales. Ito ang kabuang benta. Next, we also have rate of commission. It refers to the percent of commission. Also, we have total income. It is the total income after the commission has been added. So how do we solve commission word problems? Again, we will be following the formula percentage is equal to rate times base. Why? Because percentage is also the same as commission. Rate is also the same as commission rate. And the base is the same as the total sales or the gross proceeds. Let's have now our sample problem. Maria's monthly salary is 12,000 pesos, plus some money she earns from commission rates. She gets 15% of everything she sells. If Maria sold 9,530 worth of items this month, what is her total income for the month? So, from our problem, we have the following given data. Basic salary is equal to 12,000 pesos. Gross proceeds or the total sales is equal to 9,530. The rate of commission is 15%. Also, we have questions. How much is the commission? And how much is the total income? Since pareho ang commission sa percentage, gross proceeds with the total sales, and the rate of commission for the rate, as what we have used, percentage is equal to base times rate, we will be following the formula commission is equal to gross proceeds times the rate of commission. For the total income, we will be having total income is equal to basic income plus the commission. So this time, magdadagdag po tayo sa basic income ni Maria. Let us now solve the amount of commission. Using the formula gross proceeds or the total sales times the rate of commission, we will be having 9,530 times 0.15, 15% change to decimal form. Let us multiply. 9,530 times 5 is equal to 46,650, while 9,530 times 1 is equal to 9,530. Adding the 2 and moving the decimal point from the right to the left 2 places, we will be having 1,419 pesos and 50 centavos. This is the amount of commission. Let's have now the total income. We will be using the formula basic salary plus commission. So let's have 12,000 pesos as the basic salary of Maria, plus the amount of commission, which is 1,419 pesos and 50 centavos. Adding the two of them, we will be having 13,419 pesos and 50 centavos. So that would be our total income. And that is how we solve commission and the total income. Now, when we are to solve other related terms on commission, we will be using again the percentage base rate formula. Since pareho lang ang base with the gross proceeds, we will be having the formula gross proceeds or the total sales is equal to commission divided by the rate of commission. Then, since pareho ang rate with the rate of commission, we will be having the formula rate of commission is equal to commission divided by the gross proceeds. We just need to substitute these formulas with the given data. Now, let's have sales tax. What is a tax? It is the amount that the government charges for an item. Sa Tagalog, buwis. This amount is collected by the government for making some projects in our community. Let's have some other related terms on sales tax. We also have mark price. It is the original price of an item. Tax is not yet included. We also have rate of sales tax. It refers to the percent of sales tax of the total value of a sold item. Then, we have selling price. It is the total amount that is to be paid for an item, tax included. So, when we are talking of tax or buwis, it has something again to do with addition of an amount. So again, on solving sales tax problem, we will be using the formula percentage is equal to rate times base. Why? Because percentage is the same as sales tax. Rate is the same as the rate of tax, and base is the same as the mark price or the original price. Here's our sample problem. You bought a bag worth 1,500 pesos with 8% sales tax. How much did you pay for the bag? Analyzing the problem, we will have the following given data. Mark price or the original price is equal to 1,500 and the rate of tax 8%. We have some questions from the problem. The first one is, how much is the sales tax? Since sales tax is the same with percentage, we will be having the formula sales tax is equal to mark price times the rate of tax. Next, we have the question, how much is the selling price? Since sales tax is an added amount for an item, we will be having the formula selling price is equal to mark price plus the amount of tax. Let's now solve the problem. Let's first find the amount of sales tax. Using the formula mark price, or let's say the original price times the rate of tax, we will be having 1,500 pesos. It is the amount or the mark price of the bag times 0.08. 8% was changed into decimal form. We will just solve 1,500 times 8, giving us 12,000. But since we are going to move the decimal point from the right to the left 2 places, our final answer is 120 pesos. And that is the amount of sales tax. Next, let's have the selling price. We have the formula mark price plus the amount of tax. We have again 1,500 pesos as the amount of the bag plus 120 pesos as the sales tax. We will be having the total of 1,620. Now, this is the selling price of our bag. And that is how we solve the amount of sales tax and the selling price. Now, if we are to find other terms such as mark price and the rate of sales tax, we will be guided again by the percentage base rate formula. Since mark price is the same as the base, we will follow the formula mark price is equal to sales tax divided by the rate of tax. For the rate of sales tax, on the other hand, since it is the same as the rate, we will be having the formula rate of sales tax is equal to sales tax divided by the mark price. Let us have now the simple interest. So what is interest? When we say interest, it is the amount charged for investing or borrowing money at a certain time. Madalas, naririnig po natin ito sa investment, sa bank savings, any savings, or even on borrowing money. Ito po ang dagdag halaga or pwedeng maging tubo natin sa ating pamumuhunan or pwedeng maging dagdag bayad sa hiniram po nating pera. Now, let's have the other terms on simple interest. We also have the principal. It is the amount of money borrowed or invested. We also have the rate of interest, which refers to the percentage of the principal amount. Again, mas mataas na rate, mas malaking dagdag sa iyong original amount of money borrowed or invested. And the last one, we have the amount. It is the sum of the principal and your interest. So here are the formulas for solving problems regarding simple interest. Remember the following formulas. For interest, we have principal times rate of interest times the time. For principal, we have interest divided by the product of time and the rate of interest. For time, we have interest divided by the product of principal and the rate of interest. And for the rate of interest, we have interest divided by the product of principal and time. Let's solve the sample problem. You borrowed 11,000 from your friend at an agreed simple interest rate of 3% per year. You promised to pay back the borrowed amount together with the interest at the end of 2 years. How much would be your total payment? So let us analyze the problem using the following given data. The principal or the borrowed amount is 11,000 pesos. The rate of interest per year is 3%, which means kada taon magdadagdag ng 3% ng 11,000. And our time is 2 years. From our problem, we have the questions, how much is the interest? We will follow the formula interest is equal to principal times rate times time. Also, we have the question, how much is the total amount to be paid? Magkano ba ang babayaran mo at the end of 2 years? So, in this part, we will be using the formula amount to be paid is equal to the principal plus the amount of interest. Let us now solve the amount of interest first. We will be using the formula principal times rate times time. Let's have 11,000 pesos as the principal times 0.03. 3% was changed into decimal form. Let's multiply 11,000 times 3, giving us 33,000. But since we have to move the decimal point 2 places from the right to the left, we will have the final answer 330 pesos. Then, let's multiply it with 2. 330 times 2, it will give us 660 pesos. This is now the interest for 2 years. Now, let's have the total amount to pay. We will be using the formula principal plus the amount of interest. We have 11,000 again as our principal, added to 660, which is our interest, giving us the total amount of 11,660. That is the amount to pay after 2 years. So that's it. Thank you everyone for listening. I hope that you have learned something today. Kindly continue supporting us on our social media accounts. Again, this is Teacher Steph saying, maging matyaga para maging matalino.